How do you change your theme or layout on Fusion? I'm on the dashboard or enhanced layout here. To change your layout, go to the profile picture, pull down the menu and choose Layout. To swap between the enhanced layout or the button theme, click Change and change to the other layout. Then you can choose any background you want. So I'm going to choose the beach theme here and save and apply. And you can see that I now have a button theme. Because I'm a teacher, I have this extra left-hand toolbar, but students won't see this. To change back to the enhanced theme, profile picture, layout, change to the enhanced theme, and I can keep the beach theme or I can choose another one. And I'm back where I was. So that's how to change your layout and theme on Fusion.